Namaste and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing this look. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Shivani. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of my YouTube family. Now, if you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to go ahead and start with priming my face. I'm going to use this NYX Angel Oil Primer. I'm going to take some of it on my fingers and apply it all over my face. I'm going to go ahead and color correct, and for that I'm going to use this orange corrector from LA Girl. I'm going to take this just under my eyes and around my mouth area. Using a Morphe 173, I'm going to buff this out. Then I'm going to take my wet beauty blender and I'm going to blend it out a little bit more. For my foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use this Haley's foundation, and this is in the shade 4.3. I picked this up at Target the other day and I really like the foundation. I really like the way this looks on my skin. I'm going to apply my foundation using a damp beauty blender. I love the packaging of this foundation as well. It's very travel friendly. For my concealer today, I'm going to use this Too Faced Born This Way, and this is in the shade Sand. I'm going to take a little bit of it on my forehead as well. And then again, using my damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out. For setting under my eyes today, I wanted to try this Fit Me powder from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 20. I'm going to take this on my beauty blender. I'm going to take some of it in my smile lines as well. This is my first time trying this powder out, and honestly this is like giving me such a smooth finish. For my contour today, I'm going to take this dark chocolate from LA Girl and I'm going to contour just a little bit. And I'm going to blend it out using my beauty blender. I'm going to take a little bit on my jawline as well. And I'm going to blend it out using a BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush. I'm going to take a little bit of it on my forehead as well. And I'm going to blend it out using my beauty blender. And then I'm going to take my Lorax contour palette and I'm going to go into the medium contour shade. I'm going to pick this color up on a BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush. And I'm going to take this very lightly wherever we've just contoured. For my blush today, I'm going to use this Milani's Coral Cove. And I'm going to take a little bit of this blush on my forehead as well. For filling in my eyebrows today, I'm going to take this NYX pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. I'm not filling in my eyebrows too much. I'm just taking it to the sparse areas and I'm just filling them in a little bit. For priming my eyes today, I'm going to use this MAC Soft Ochre, and I'm going to apply this using a flat brush. I'm using a BH Cosmetics No. 7 brush. For my eyes today, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty's palette, and this is the Desert Dusk palette. From the palette, I'm going to go into the shade Eden. I'm going to go ahead and pick this up on a Morphe 504, and I'm going to take this all over my lid. And then using a Morphe 503, I'm going to go into the shade Blazing, and I'm going to take this just in my crease. And then I'm going to pick up that shade a little bit more and I'm going to bring it to the outer corner. And this time I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer V of my eye. And then I'm going to pick up that shade one more time and I'm going to take this on my lower lash line. And I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. And then I'm going to pick up that Morphe 504 one more time and I'm just going to blend everything out. There's nothing on my brush, I'm just blending it out. Then I'm going to pick up a Morphe 330 and I'm going to go into the shade Amber. And I'm just going to deepen up my outer corner just a little bit. And I'm just pressing the product in. I'm not buffing it out or anything. I'm just pressing it on. And once I've pressed the product on, and I'm going to go ahead and buff it out. I'm using a very light hand here. And then I'm taking a Morphe 535 and I'm going to just clean up the edges. And still I didn't pick up any product. I'm just buffing it out so I don't have any harsh lines. Then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to go into the shade Amber. Then I'm going to go into this pretty golden shade. This is called Nefertiti. And first I'm going to pick this up on my finger and just press it on. See how that looks. And I'm just taking it onto the 1/3 of my eye. I had a little bit of fallout, so I'm going to just brush it out. And then I'm going to go into the shade Celestial. Pick it up on my finger again. And I'm going to take this right here on the center of my eye. Then using Morphe 503, I'm going to pick up Amber. And I'm just going to deepen it up just a little bit on the corner. And I'm using a very light hand. I am going to do the same thing on the other side. So I've got Nefertiti, and I'm going to press it on 1/3. I'm going to pick up Celestial, and I'm going to take that on the center of my eye. Then I'm going to pick up Amber. I'm going to deepen it up. I'm going to go ahead and do a wing liner using the Smashbox liquid eyeliner. Next, I'm going to take my Sephora's eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and tight line my upper lash line. And I'm going to bring this on the 1/3 of my lower lash line. For my mascara today, I'm going to use this NARS Climax mascara. I also went ahead and put on my lashes, and these are called Spellbound from House of Lashes. And then I'm going to take my NARS one more time, and I'm going to blend the two together. These lashes were so easy to put on. For my highlighter today, I'm going to take this Jennifer Lopez highlighter, and this is from Inglot. I'm going to apply this using a Morphe 510. I'm also going to take this Tarte's liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Get It. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish my makeup using this Urban Decay All-Nighter. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed creating this look for you today. I mean, I started at a very natural look, and here we are. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Ciao.